Good evening, Professor Mars, mentors, and our fellow cyber interns. My name is Itzhak Oren-Klosner, and I'm the IT analyst from Team 1 CyberSeals. This week, our prerogative was to analyze GNB's security breach as presented in our case study. Our analysis will focus on the way protection and detection methods were implemented inside GNB organization. Further, this analysis, along with arsenal of possible solutions, will provide GNB stockholders a better understanding of the leading events and possible solutions. As we now all know, a Goliath National Bank contractor employee who worked night shift as a security guard managed to infect the organization network by using his limited access authorization. This security guard was hired through the dark web to disable Goliath National Bank networks for a specified amount of time by the installment of malware. When we analyzed the behavior and action of the security guard, we came upon several deficiencies within the organization. The first is GNB's ability to implement physical security, and the second is the organization's ability to implement proper network security mechanisms. This raised further questions like, why were no flags raised regarding the security guard's background as a member of Hacker for Hire group? This opened up further discussion on the effectiveness of current methods for dealing with insider threat. Does the current network topology and parametric mechanisms supply sufficient defense? And what went wrong with the anti-malware and data protection software? Is the organization applying patches and updates according to predefined agreement? To remedy these deficiencies, we recommend the following to be applied in the organization. Required escort for people who need access to sensitive areas and which are not part of an unauthorized group. If malware scanners have relatively low detection rates, they should be changed or updated. In regards to employees anonymously reporting suspicious behavior, the effectiveness will be tested by comparing the ratio between calls, potential threats, and real threats. Also, there will be periodic drills where the organization will insert an actor displaying suspicious behavior to test how many employees report it. When analyzing the logged anomalies, if there is a lot of low-risk type anomalies, the threshold for flags may need to be re-evaluated and implemented. When an employee is moved to a different branch or is promoted/demoted within the department, their access privileges should be updated to reflect that change. Emphasize the need of behavioral analysts and funding towards the development of an insider threat program. This will include better mechanisms to flag suspicious employees, with the use of anonymous hotline, questionnaires, and polygraph for sensitive positions, and execute further disciplinary actions against those who constitute a risk to the organization. Develop an insider threat task force who will draft policies and adjust it to reflect the organization objectives. Applying updates and patches on a regular basis, this should be checked, regulated, and approved by senior management. Updating organizational policies regarding the proper use of external devices. This policy should deal with questions like, should external devices be brought to the workplace at first place? IT personnel should revise current network topology, in particular the placement of detection and prevention sensors, switches, routers, the DMZ, and VPN servers if those in need. Ultimately, this week's assignment can be used to emphasize the importance of informing and involving stakeholders with potential risk and security scenarios involving critical assets. Therefore, providing them information regarding detection maintenance will help maintaining their acceptance and confidence in the organization. Furthermore, this week provides us, Team 1, with a unique opportunity to assess and revise our implementation of NIST guidelines requirements according to the team case study, strengthening our notion regarding the ways we have implemented detection methods in an effort to reduce and mitigate future scenarios. This concludes Team 1 CyberSeals presentation for this week. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at jjcyberseals@gmail.com and or on IQ4 platform. Thank you and have a nice weekend.